Hello students, we are continuing to our lecture series on the topic Introduction to Digital Logic Design. So in previously studies we study about previous video lectures we studied about the number system conversion, then binary arithmetic, then binary algebra and basic gates. Now we come to the universal gate. There are when we studied about our basic gates, the basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate and XOR gate. And now the universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. Basically these gates are called universal gate because these gates are made by the combination of basic gates, and by these help of these gates we can also make the basic gates. So in our next slides we studied about how to implement NAND, NOT, AND and OR gate using NAND gate and using NOR gate and their equivalent gate. So this is NAND gate. So how NAND gate is become? In NAND gate we add the AND gate plus NOT gate. So the symbol of NAND gate is similar to AND gate, but there is a bubble in output. That means to say it inverts the AND gate output. So this is Z equals to X dot by complement, and we can see here it is in its truth table. The output of AND gate is 0 0 then 0 0 1 पे 0 1 0 पे 0 and then last 1 1 पे 1. But for NAND gate it is just inverse 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1, it's equal to 0. Now NOR gate is made by the OR gate plus NOT gate. So this is shows in its symbol that after OR gate in output we applied a bubble here, and this bubble shows the inversion of output. That means to say we get output here just the invert of OR gate. So in OR gate we get the output at 0 0 we get 0 0 1 we get 1 1 0 we get 1 and 1 1 we get 1. But for NOR gate the output is just inverse as of OR gate. So here the output is at 0 0 it is 1, on 0 1 it is 0, 1 0 it is 0 and 1 1 it is 0. Now we come to the implementation of NAND or NOR gate. That means to say using NAND or NOR gate we are making here basic gates. First, at all NAND inputs connected to the input signal A and gives a output A complement. That means to say it makes here the bubble. So it is the NAND gate, and using NAND gate how we can make AND gate? So NAND gate plus one more and NOT gate which is making by NAND gate, so that gives the output as AND gate. That means to say when we apply here AB input we get output as AB dash, and after this output applying to the input of this gate we get the AB. So the output of AND gate is AB. So this is the implementation of AND gate using NAND gate. Here the AND is replaced by NAND gate with its output complemented by a NAND gate inverter. Now we come to the NOR implementation. For NOR implementation, first we make a NOT gate through the NOR gate, and here we can see how we applied it. At this both inputs are combined, so we get the output as complemented output, so this become the NOT gate. And the OR gate using NOR gate we can get the, here is the simple NOR gate, then we applied a NOT gate here and we are getting here OR gate through the NOR gate. So this is the way how we can apply and we can get. So here we can see we are getting NOT gate through the NOR gate and OR gate through the NOR gate. Now this is the XOR gate and we get XOR with NAND gate. So here we can see the inverter input is applied to the both AND gate, and then there is a OR gate is applied. So here we can see in this the NAND gate input is applied to both input, and both NAND gate now then goes to one another NAND gate, and we get the output as X XOR Y. So these are the implementation of basic gates through universal gates. So thank you for this.